Welcome to the Softhealer technology. In this video, we will see how Backdate Audit logger work in purchase order. So, through the boolean of enable Backdate Audit logger. Now go to purchase, create new one, select vendor, add a product here. Now confirm the order, receive product and validate. Here, select mass assign Backdate. Assign any backdate, apply. Now add remark here. Now confirm. Here you can see history here added, and also this is a logger. In receipt here you can see history and this is a logger. Also you can see all logger here.